Welcome back to online maths class. Students, in this video we are going to see few example sums and first three exercise problems. Okay? Example 3.5, which is greater, 3 power 4 or 4 power 3? See the solution. 3 power 4 means write 3 how much times? 4 times. Okay. 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. When we multiply 3 4 times, we get the answer 81. 4 power 3 is 4 into 4 into 4 equal to 64. Which is greater? 3 power 4 is greater than 4 power 3 because 81 is greater than 64. Example 3.6. Expand a cube b square and a square b cube. Are they equal? See the solution. A cube b square means a 3 times and b 2 times. A square b cube means a 2 times, b 3 times. Is it equal? No. Both are not equal. That's what we can write. A cube b square is not equal to a square b cube. Example 3.7. Simplify using product rule of exponents. See, three questions are here. What is the product rule? A power m into a power n equal to a power m plus n. That means the base same. Base not here, base a. Base same means we can add the powers. That is the rule. Okay. Product rule is a power m into a power n equal to a power m plus n. See the first question. 5 power 7 into 5 power 3. 5 is the base, that is same. So, we can add the powers. 7 plus 3 equal to 10. So, the answer for the first question is 5 power 10. Second question. 3 power 3 into 3 power 2 into 3 power 4. In this sum also base equal, so add the powers. 3 plus 2 plus 4. 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 plus 4 is 9. So the answer 3 power 9. Okay. Third question. 25 into 32 into 625 into 64. We can write 25 as 5 into 5. 32, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Divide using prime factorization. Then 625, 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. See here, I divided already. Then 64 also divide like that. Okay. Now you see 5 square, 2 power 5, 5 power 4 and 2 power 6. We can add 5 together. Okay. So 5 power 2 into 5 power 4. Then 2 power 5 into 2 power 6. See the first one, base equal, so add the powers. 5 power 2 plus 4. Second one, 2 power 5 plus 6. So what is the answer? 5 power 6 into 2 power 11. Hereafter you don't want to add because the base is not equal. Okay. 5 and 2. So stop here itself. Final answer is 5 power 6 into 2 power 11. Second rule, quotient rule. A power m divided by a power n equal to a power m minus n. Base equal, then in between division symbol is there. So, we can subtract the powers. Okay. This is quotient rule. Example 3.8. Simplify using quotient rule of exponents. See the first question. 10 power 8 divided by 10 power 6. Okay, already I said quotient rule is we have to subtract the powers. Okay, so 10 power 8 minus 6 equal to 10 power 2. Second question, 2 power 8 into 3 power 5 into 5 power 4 divided by 3 power 2 into 5 power 3 into 2 power 4. First of all, we can group the exponential numbers with the same base. Okay. So, 2 power 8 divided by 2 power 4 into 3 power 5 divided by 3 power 3 into 5 power 4 divided by 5 power 1. Okay. If we regroup like this means we can easily subtract the powers. Okay. For avoiding confusion, we can write like this first. Yes. Next, subtract the powers now. 2 power 8 minus 4 into 3 power 5 minus 3 into 5 power 4 minus 1. So, what is the answer now? 2 power 4 into 3 power 2 into 5 power 1. See the base, all the numbers are different base, so we can't subtract the powers again. Okay. Next, third question, 6 to the power 4 by 6 power 0. 6 to the power 4 minus 0. For 6 to the power 4 minus 0 is what? 6 to the power 4. Otherwise, we can write the answer like this. 6 power 4 divided by 6 power 0 equal to 6 power 4 divided by the power 0 value is 1. So, the answer 6 power 4. Third rule, power rule. A power m, the whole power n equal to a power mn. See, the power is like this means we can multiply the powers. Okay. A power m, the whole power n equal to a power mn. This is power rule. Example 3.9. Simplify using power rule of exponents. See the first question, 8 power 3 the whole power 4. Power of power rule, so we can multiply the powers. 8 power 3 into 4 equal to 8 power 12. Second one, 11 power 5 the whole power 2, which is equal to 11 power 5 into 2 equal 11 power 10. Third question, 2 power 6 the whole power 2 into 2 power 4 the whole power 7. Using power rule, first you multiply the powers. 2 power 6 into 2 into 2 power 4 into 7. 2 power 6 into 2 is 12 and 2 power 4 into 7 is 28. Again, using the product rule, we can add the powers. We know already a power m into a power n equal to a power m plus n. Using that rule, now you add the powers. 12 plus 28 equal to 40. So, the answer is 2 power 40. Example 3.10. Simplify by using the laws of exponents. First question, 7 power 6 into 3 power 6. See, here we can use a power m into b power m equal to a into b the whole power m. That means power same but base is different means we can multiply the base numbers together. Okay. See the first example, 7 power 6 into 3 power 6. Power is same. Then base number 7 and 3. So we can multiply the base numbers. 7 into 3 the whole power 6. 7 3s are 21 the whole power 6. Here we used which rule? A power m into b power n, m equal to a into b the whole power m. Second question, 4 power 3 into 2 power 3 into 5 power 3. Students, see the powers, all the powers are same, no? So, we can multiply the base numbers together. 4 into 2 into 5, the whole power 3. 4 2s are 8, 8 5s are 40, 40 the power 3. Okay, here the rule is extended for how much numbers? 3 numbers. Question number 3. 72 the power 5 divided by 9 power 5. See the formula, a power m divided by b power m. So we can write a by b the whole power m. Same concept used for the third question. 72 divided by 9 the whole power 5 because the power is same. Okay. 72 by 9 is what? 8. 8 power 5 is the answer. Fourth question, 6 power 13 into 48 power 13 divided by 12 power 13. First of all, divide 48 power 13 divided by 12 power 13. Okay, using the formula a power m divided by b power m equal to a by b the whole power m. Okay, see, we can write 48 by 12 the whole power 13. Divide 48 and 12, what we get? 4 times. Okay, so what we can write the next step? 6 power 13 into 4 power 13. Okay, see the powers 13, so we can multiply 6 and 4 together. 6 into 4 the whole power 13. 6 4s are 24 the whole power 13. In this problem, we used a power m into a power m into b power m equal to a into b the whole power m. Okay. Exercise 3.1, question number 1, filling the blanks. First one, the exponential form 14 power 9 should be read as. How we can read? 14 power 9. Second question, the expanded form of p power 3 q power 2 is dash. p into p into p into q into q. Third question, when base is 12 and exponent is 17, its exponential form base 12 exponent 17. So what is the answer? 12 power 17. Fourth one, the value of 14 into 21 the whole power 0 equal to 1 because any number the power 0 is 1. Question number 2, say true or false. First question, 2 power 3 into 3 power 2. 2 power 3 is 8, 3 power 2 is 9. 8 9s are 72, but what is given? 65. First one is false. Second one, 2 power 9 into 3 power 2 equal to 2 into 3 the whole power 9 into 2. In this question, base also different and power also different numbers. So, the statement is false. Third one, 3 power 4 into 3 power 7. For this question, we can use product law. See, the base is same, in between multiplication. So, we can add the powers. 3 power 4 plus 7 equal to 11. Third statement is true. Fourth one, 2 power 0 into 2 power 0. There is no values, but the answer is what? 1. Fifth one, 2 power 3 is less than 3 power 2. 2 power 3 is what? 2 into 2 into 2, 8. 3 power 2 is 9. 8 is less than 9. So, the last statement is true statement. Answers: first and second question false, third, fourth, 5 answer is true. Homework of this session from exercise 3.1 question number 3.